absolutely university career fair. That's where you'll get it. Online, the success rate at the university career fairs is much higher than online. If it's a niche, then that's a different thing. But if you're just applying for a general internship, the probability is lower of you getting through the random online process. For big companies, no, they don't even look at that. Like they're not interested in your immigration status. They all they care about is pure talent. If you're talented, you're on. If you're not, you're not. So yeah, it'll matter for small companies. It won't. Say for instance, you have a job that you really want, right? You want to interview for say XYZ company, and that's coming up in a month. If you can somehow figure out how to get a few interviews before that, sort of to stretch out, have a little practice before the main one, that can be really helpful. They have a bunch of these graduate student pages on Facebook that you can post questions on. Each department has a department chair, so it's like I think the software engineer, you'll be able to find that information on their website as well, I think, unless they stock that. But you could get in touch with the department chair and ask them questions. If you're in Boulder, you'll save a lot. If you're in New York, you're probably not going to save a lot. Silicon Valley, for sure, you're not saving a lot. I'd say none at all. I didn't even bring that up. Tailoring your resume as much as you can for the position that you're looking at. So just how you guys have applied for university, right? You have your top 3, these are my dream universities, and you have your 6, like these are, if I could get in, awesome. And then you have your 2 as backups, like worst case scenario, so for your top 3, like, for the coveted positions and the ones you really want, tailor your resume for those. And so that would be like removing placement of things, the more important things that relates to this position on top, maybe expand those things a little more. Just jump into the pool, jump into the deep end, but don't overthink it. Just get into it, but work hard. Like always aim to be in the top 10 percentile. Like if you're not in the top 10 percentile, then that should be your goal.